So it's our first full day here in Nha Trang, and we're gonna go beach hopping. We're gonna visit the waterfall and salt field here in Nha Trang. So let's go. Yo, so after a good 40-50 kilometer ride from Nha Trang Center, we are now in Docklet Beach. Look at that. And we are now staying in front of the beach. That's a really long stretch of wide beach right there. Let's go swim.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
So done with short dip and Docklet Beach. So we're gonna head to Ba Ho Waterfall from here. So let's go. We have arrived in Ba Ho Waterfalls. You have a lake here or river, whatever you call it there. So let's check out the falls. We're gonna walk maybe 10 minutes. Let's go.
One eternity later.
We miscalculated. The main waterfalls is around 900 meters from the entrance gate. So we have 500 meters more. Let's go. It's looking like the path to the next level. It's getting harder, steeper. Look at that. Going up there. So yeah, Rian, she knows. Stay put. And I'll go there. Let's go. I'm gonna swim now. You smell like shit. Looks like Yari and Sheena actually climbed up. Hi. Swim na naman. Done with a quick dip in the waterfalls. It's time to go. It's getting there. It's getting late. It's near 5 p.m. and we have to travel maybe an hour 45 minutes to Nha Trang City Center. So let's go. Yo. So second full day here in Nha Trang. So we're gonna do some like city tour. So just within the city is the Po Nagar temple, the Po Nagar Charm Tower, which was built around 7th to the 12th century. is right about here in the background. So let's go. Wearing her costume. One of the attractions here in Nha Trang is actually mud bath and hot springs. Oops. So yeah, we're in Thap hot spring. There's actually a number of places here that offer the mud bath. So we're in Thap since it's nearest the places that we visited today. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna try some mud bath and check what it's all about. Let's go. So this is the mud bath in Thap. It's actually the public area. It's a cheaper option. It's around 200,000 Vietnamese dong, which is around 500 pesos. Look at that. A lot of people lined up. If you want a more private pool for yourself, you can get the private package, which should be around 1,500,000 dong, which is a lot of money. So we're gonna enjoy the rest of the afternoon here. Ciao.
The next day.
Yo! So we are now in Cam Ranh International Airport, which is the nearest airport to Nha Trang, and we're waiting for our flight to Ho Chi Minh. It's an empty airport, look at that. Our flight is in 2 hours. Anyway, it's been a good stay in Nha Trang. It's the place somewhat exceeded expectations. Anyway, we're gonna be spending 5 more days in Ho Chi Minh before we end this trip. So let's go.